Hi, I'm Tiffany, the mommy and Mommy and Me Travels, and today we're at the Hyatt Ziva Riviera, the new one that's only been open a couple of weeks now. We're excited to share with you everything that we have discovered, learned, and all of the unique opportunities available for you here. Come on, why don't you take a tour with me? All right, well, this is the smaller of the water park area for your younger kids. You got a little slide here, come around. Then you got a little bit bigger of a play area. You got the crab, of course. You got the shooting thing. See my son over there? And you can see it's pretty close. Right there's the bigger water slide. So if you got a kid a little bit older like I do, can go play over there. And then your younger one can go play here. Around this way. There he goes, acting a goofball. And then there's my youngest playing on the whale there. Over to here. Oh, there they go. They're going to run through there. Whoa, they got him. And then you got the big bucket up there, which I just got soaked from. Pay attention to that. It comes pretty quick. So there you go. This is the smaller of the little splash water park area. Right here is the entrance into the big water park area, which are these 4 slides here. As you can see, you've got the one here and then the 3 that come down. My son is 4 and the other one is 8, and they both are able to do all these slides and they really enjoy them. All right, here we go. We are gonna go down the water slides here at the Hyatt Ziva, the new one that just opened. We're gonna go down the water slides and see how it goes. Come join us. I hope this shows you that there's something available for all the kids at this water park. Make sure you subscribe for future videos and check out the one that YouTube recommends next.